Welcome back. My name is Charlene Randall, and I am the tax boss. And I am going to tell you this masterclass has lots of information that you can use to start building wealth. So, in the last video, we talked about the 2026 1031 playbook concerning the 1031 exchange. So, in our next video in this masterclass series, we're talking about the engine that makes these deals possible, the Audit AI powered Audit Ready Vault. So, most real estate investors and tax pros are still operating with records that are in shoeboxes and they have messy spreadsheets. In 2026, we have to do differently. We cannot operate how we operated in the past because that's going to be a fault when dealing with these type of situations. So when the IRS comes knocking, they do not want to hear about your intent. Okay? They want to see your documentation. So today I'm going to show you how to use AI to automate the most painful part of your business, like I do. So, we are going to talk about the semantic document review that happens behind the scenes. So, when you're doing a 1031 exchange, you're dealing with contracts from the qualified intermediary, the title company, and the seller, right? So, these people you are working with to make your 1031 exchange happen. If one particular clause is missing within this paperwork, like the cooperation clause, for example, your entire tax deferral could be disqualified. So these things I don't read manually anymore. I use AI driven semantic review for these. We use a tax force custom prompt that scans all of our contracts for every 12 compliance markers that the IRS looks for. If the QI forgot to mention the assignment of rights, the AI is going to flag it in seconds. So this isn't just a time saver, it's $1 million insurance for your clients that are doing these also. And for investors that are doing this, you must make sure. So I'm going to show you exactly what to look for in your own contracts. So one of the biggest hurdles of the 1031 exchange is proving your adjusted basis. That means that every single roof repair, HVAC upgrade, and every renovation over the past 10 years needs to be accounted for. So it needs to be accounted for. Most people lose these receipts and don't have proof. My Audit Ready Vault uses AI to ingest all of your historical bank statements and automatically categorize capital improvements versus repairs for you. So in 2026, tools that we have like Council Pro allow us to reconstruct the property's financial history in minutes. So we create a digital vault for every property. This means that if an audit happens 5 years from now, My clients don't panic. They just hit the export button and they have this within seconds. So when you structure your business the correct way, this is luxury, having these things available to you so that you won't get your tax deferral denied. So we talked about the 45-day deadline in our last video, but how do we actually manage it? How do we manage the 45-day deadline? In my firm, we've automated the safe harbor alerts. The moment a sale closes, our CRM triggers a countdown that pings the client, the realtor, and the QI every Friday until that ID letter is signed and filed. This prevents the day 44 panic where you are anxious and have anxiety because you don't want to hit that 45-day mark. So, automated the communication, we ensure that every document is timestamped and stored in the vault. Remember, in a 1031 exchange, if it isn't timestamped, it didn't happen in the eyes of the IRS. So if you're a tax professional or a realtor, you should be offering this level of organization to your clients. It justifies your fees and makes you indispensable to your clients. So this is exactly what I teach in my AI plus tax real estate insider magazine. In the next video, we're going to talk about partial exchange, how to take the cash out of a deal without losing your mind. But for now, I want you to audit your own systems. Do you have a vault or do you have a shoebox? A messy shoebox. I want you to click the link in the description and join our private Facebook group. Our private Facebook group, Connecticut Business Besties and Boardroom. And let's talk about the tools that you are using. I am Charlene Randall, the tax boss. I will see you in the next video.